then spring back and forth. This creates a wave of energy that works your triceps, biceps, shoulders, and even your chest.
Can you see from my elbow to the top of my shoulder? Like all around my arms.
It feels like your whole arm is getting a workout. A world leader in biomechanics showed it burns muscle energy and calories
You gotta be
5
fucking
times
kidding
faster
me.
than a dumbbell. Now here's the part that blows my mind. This means a workout that takes 32 minutes with traditional dumbbells takes only 6 minutes with the shake weight.
In a matter of seconds, you feel it really working your muscles. If my arms feel worse, it's definitely a good workout.
Now you can wear the dress styles you want. The hot blouses that show off your arms. Even those cute t-shirts that make casual just a little sexy. With the shake weight, you can get firm and fabulous arms and shoulders in just 6 minutes a day for only $19.95. Why on earth would you not get one? The shake weight comes with a free 3-in-1 triple result DVD. The shake
The
weight is
one-handed
so effective,
technique.
you don't feel good with one workout. Return it for a 100% refund. Summer is
Oh
around the
my
corner.
god.
Call now or go to shakeweight.com to get the sleek, sexy, and sculpted arms you've always wanted with your own shake weight. Call now.
Call 1-800-520